Howdy guys, welcome back to Cruiserman's Inventions. The whole test experiment right here is this washing machine motor is being rewound back to a e-bike motor basically. It is the 3x4C, and this one here has been rewound back to the 12x1 gen. And if you look over here, we have a window wiper motor on a big sprocket hooked up to a speed controller, which is over here, which is DC, and here's all the controls over here. So we're going to flick this on, that there is going to run this, and in return it's coming through this bridge rectifier. Where is it? It's coming through the, sorry about that guys, bridge rectifier, and then back out here. This is a real quick video to the bucks converter. And then hopefully we're going to see the volts come out on the meter here. Okay, so first we'll get this spinning up. The whole process is to see if this method here is enough power to run this after it comes through the bucks converter to make one of these work. Okay, so let's flicker on. Wow, okay, 80 volts. Let's hit the control. Yep, let's wind back the throttle very slowly. There it is. It works. Not very fast, but it actually works. There. Yep. Alright, there we go guys. This is a real super fast video guys. Before I destroy all of this stuff and just make something else, and I ran out of battery juice. But yeah guys, it did work, but it's still not quite enough. So look back on this again to see what